Baking soda in the fridge is a pretty standard item because people know that it can pick up the smells, which are very often not pleasant. All kinds of smells can occur in the fridge. When butter goes rancid, for example, it produces a chemical called butyric acid. Now, sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, is a base. It can react chemically with butyric acid and neutralize it, convert it into sodium butyrate, which is a salt, which is not volatile. So it solves the problem in that way. But in order to make it really efficient, you want to give it a large surface area. So don't just open up the box a little bit. Take the baking soda, put it out into a plate, and make sure that you maximize the surface area so that it can absorb all of these volatile smells. That's not only rancid butter that can be disturbing. Unfortunately, sometimes you'll get mold and bacteria growing in a fridge, existing in a very complex ecology. Common molds like Aspergillus and common bacteria like Pseudomonas, but when they dine on food, they produce a variety of smelly substances which are acids and can be neutralized by the baking soda. Of course, after a while, its neutralizing potential will have been exhausted, so you've got to change it, get rid of it. Well, what do you do to get rid of it? You save it for the kids because they can have a lot of fun with it. Just give them a little bit of vinegar and throw it into the vinegar and enjoy the excitement of the evolving carbon dioxide. Double purpose baking soda.